Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to reset the time in Candy Crush so you can bypass time limits. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, go ahead and log into your account. So after opening up the application guys and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the game where you can see all the sections you have. As you can see, currently I'm on the map section where I can see all of my levels and my progress. I can open up the events, I can see my shop and so on. So guys, let's say that we have to wait sometimes until we can play again because maybe we used up all of our lives or something similar. Well guys, this is how to reset that time. What you want to do guys is go ahead and exit the application, and after exiting the application guys, you want to go ahead and open up the settings on your mobile phone. So after opening up the settings guys, now what we want to do in settings is to go ahead and find our clock. So guys, go ahead and search for the time option. Search for time guys, and after searching for time, go ahead and click on the time zone option. In the time zone, as you can see, I have already activated using network provided time. So what we want to do guys is to turn off this option right here. And after turning it off guys, now we can go ahead and click on the time zone option right here. And in the time zone option, we can set that time sometime in the future. So guys, what we want to do is to go ahead guys and set our time in the future. So click on time right here and put it a couple of hours forward, and after putting it up a couple of hours in the future guys, go back to the application and open up Candy Crush again, and now you'll successfully reset the time and bypass any time limits that you had. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.